Hi, my name's Alex from Gutterbrush. Prefabricated rooms such as sunrooms, lanais, patio enclosures, and carports have very unusual gutters. Owners of these gutters struggle with clogs because the typical common gutter screens and gutter guard covers don't fit this strange gutter design. Structures such as four-seasoned rooms, sunrooms, patio rooms, lanais, carports, and even metal buildings all have components that are pre-made in the factory and assembled on site. For this reason, the building components are more of a one-size-fits-all scenario, resulting in a very strange and unusual gutter design that poses many difficulties. Gutters on prefabricated structures are made to be strong, and they're made predominantly to be aesthetically pleasing. The front edge of the gutter is abnormally high, so when you're looking at the structure, you see the very straight and neat appearance of the gutter, which is designed intentionally in this fashion to hide any visible issues with the roof and the structure. With these structures, they prioritize appearance over the gutter function. Good building and gutter design would normally call for the front edge of the gutter to be lower than the back edge of the gutter, so that if or when the patio room gutter clogs, the water would pour over the front edge of the gutter. Unfortunately, these structures most often have gutters which the front edge of the gutter is much higher than the back edge, such that when the gutter clogs, it's likely to overflow back into the room. Additionally, very often, the roof panel drip edge is left extra long, such that you can't even fit your hands into the gutter to clean them. Due to these unusual design features, the typical common gutter screens and gutter guard covers do not fit. And people with these gutters regularly turn to Gutterbrush for a simple solution that keeps the gutter from clogging. It's easy to install and easy to maintain, so get your sizing samples to see which size of Gutterbrush best fits your gutter. Thanks very much.